everybody. Welcome to season 3 of From Pencil to Production. I am very, very excited to start a new season.
Peace, everybody. My name is James. I'm originally from North Carolina. I'm currently working out in New York, and I'm hyped to be considered for the Pencil to Production competition, simply because as designers, sometimes we can be hyper creative, but not always have the resources or the capital to bring every aspect of it to life. I currently have a new brand called Circle of Ceremony, where I pair my avant-garde street style with components from my indigenous heritage.
Hi, my name's Adore. Excuse my voice. I'm getting over a cold. I literally have been asking myself, what is it that I need to get to the next level? And I received the link to sign up for this competition by one of my best friends. It was just one of those moments where I was like, I'm sending things out into the universe and I'm receiving things back. And I owe it to myself to follow through with my dreams, and this could be a part of that.
Hi, I'm Amber, founder and designer of Amber Pete Designs. My brand is a culmination of my dream to create clothing that celebrates women in all that we are. As a young girl, I struggled to find the confidence I needed. At 11 years old, I began drawing dresses as a way to dream of who I'd become. My first market test was selling a small batch of garments to a local boutique in 2016. Since then, I've been selling my creations online, and I would love to use this grant to scale up my production.
Hello, my name is Jonia Miller. I live in Logan Township, New Jersey. I am an illustrator running my own business called Jonia Miller Illustration, where I create artwork to go on home good products and apparel. And coming across the competition, Pencil to Production, for me, I feel this is confirmation to finally launch my athleisure apparel line for women. I believe win or lose, I will walk away from this competition with a foundation that I can stand on that will help me grow and run a successful business.
Hello, my name is Terrence Cook, and I'm the designer and founder of Escott's Father. Escott Father was launched in 2021 with the focus on menswear accessories and tailored clothing. My inspiration comes from movies, the 90s hip-hop culture, jazz music, Miles Davis, Camp Lo, just naming different artists that helped me, that inspired me with this brand. I feel that From Pencil to Production will help me take my designs to the next level.
So, looking at our list, you are in the competition. Yay!
Oh, wow. Thank you. Oh, man. Thank you so much.
How do you feel?
My wife is listening. She's happy, That's right. Thank you. I feel honored. Thank you. I don't know if you know this, but I actually been a fan of your page for a while.
Really?
I was really shocked that you reached out, when we finally started messaging each other, because I've been following you for a while, And I know how it's hard to get noticed sometimes, but when you just reached out, because I know how sometimes business can go straight to like the other box on Instagram, but when you reached out, I was honored. So, it's like, oh, wow, it's her, when you asked about my museum and everything, like, oh, wow, she's talking to me, so yeah.
Well, thank you so much. And so, Miss Samia, you are, is it Samia or Samia?
Samia.
Samia. Miss Samia, you have made it to the competition. Yay. Are you excited? How do you feel?
Yeah, I was crossing my fingers. I was crossing my fingers for a while because I'm just like, obviously, like, this is something that I really like. I know it will help me in a lot of ways.
So, you are in the competition.
Yeah. Thank you so much. That's so exciting.
How are you feeling? Are you excited?
Excited, nervous, anxious.
You're nervous.
Yeah.
Well, that's good. Nerves are good. Nerves are always good. They keep you on your toes.
Very true. Very much true.
Awesome.
Love it.
My name is Alicia Appleton, and I am very happy to be here for season 3. So I am a fashion brand strategist, you may ask, well, what does that mean? And that really means that I'm interested in teaching designers how to create assortments that can support their initiatives to continue to be able to make money. And alongside doing all those things, I've been running my leather accessories company business for the past 8 years. And I have been featured in the Smithsonian African American Museum gift store, Smithsonian Museum, as well as some of the Smithsonian craft shows that happen throughout the year.
I'm the president and the CEO of the Frelaine Group. We're a multinational equity investment company that looks for, invests in, and builds emerging luxury brands owned by designers of color out of Africa, India, the Middle East, and their diasporas, and now really focused and passionate about marrying the two sides. Our creativity from our community, which we've never lacked, and marrying that with the resources, everything from the money, the strategy, supply chains, as Alicia and Mikkel mentioned, and all of those other components that's needed to take you from concept to the pinnacle of wherever your success can take you. In many ways, like, from pencil to production.
We are buyers for a novelty store in New York City, and we're looking to buy fashion-related clothing or accessories for male strippers.
What?
So I racked my brain all day today, like, okay, first challenge, I know it's gonna be a pitch. I watched the last season, but I think they're gonna throw something different at us, like children's wear. I could talk about that. Or maybe they'll do something for the elderly. I can think of something like that. But strippers, okay.
Man, it was like the odds were set up against us with this assignment. That was something I wasn't expecting. But to have like 45 minutes, I'm like, oh man, like, what do I come up with?
It's been a little while since I've been to a strip show.
You guys are going to come and present to us whatever you come up with that solves a problem, whatever that problem is that you decide is going to be for a male stripper. On the surface, this seems like, there's a lot of keying you can do and, it's funny and whatever. But remember, this is somebody who does have to, they're performing a service. They have a job, and it's your job to dress them, to give them accessory for whatever it is that you're saying, okay, I'm designing accessories for strippers that...
It's important to have a place to put that.
Will actually cup the testicular area, prevents from the shock, and the silicone ring, the arch of the ring actually keeps it in a focused place. The penis will actually be in a focused place.
This is the first challenge, ladies and gentlemen.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, very true.